Tired of struggling to make money online and waiting months to see any real results? What if you could start generating $100 or more every single day starting from day one? Welcome back, everyone. My name is Adam Froy, and today I'm showing you the exact proof of my latest Adsterra earnings and payout directly inside my account. What you're looking at right now isn't luck, it's the result of my Adsterra loading method. This is a powerful, fully automated bot setup designed to generate consistent daily revenue without any complicated steps. And the best part, you don't need a website, a blog, or any expensive setup. All you need is an Adsterra direct link to get started. You also don't need a high-end computer or expensive software to run this. This bot works smoothly on basic, normal devices, making it accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world. There are no hidden fees, no extra software costs, and zero additional investment required after you get the method. The complete Adsterra loading method is available for a one-time payment of $250. Once you buy it, it's yours forever, no recurring monthly subscriptions. I accept payments securely through Binance, USDT, and Payout. Now, I know there are plenty of fake claims online, and transparency is everything to me. If you have any doubts about these earnings or want to verify everything yourself, I will gladly hop on an AnyDesk session with you and give you a live tour of my actual Adsterra account. If you're ready to stop guessing and start earning a guaranteed $100 plus daily, send me a message right now to get instant access. Let's make today the day you transform your online income.